Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can fix where your Windows 11 keeps freezing and lagging randomly, then please watch this video and I'll guide you on how you can fix that. So it is very annoying that your Windows 11 keeps on freezing and lagging while you are using it. So let's go quick into the solutions. First is we need to restart our computer. So for that, just make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and then restart your computer. Usually, a simple restart can fix a lot of issues in your computer. However, if it isn't working, then we need to move to the next procedures or solutions. Click on the Start button, go to Settings. On the left pane, you need to look for Windows Update. Click on that. In here, we need to check for any updates. So if you are downloading and installing all updates, then just simply do that. And just simply check for updates. We need to make sure our Windows is updated to avoid any errors. Now, once you have downloaded and installed all updates, then you just have to close this. And then you need to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your computer. And once you have restarted your computer, see if the problem has been fixed. Now, another method is we need to open the command prompt. We need to run some commands. So in the Windows search bar, type here cmd. Right click on it, select Run as Admin, or you can just simply choose Run as Admin in the right pane. Then here, just follow me for the command. The first command is DISM space / online space / clean up -image space / restore health. DISM space / online space / cleanup -image space / restore health and hit on enter. Now this process will take some time, so what we have to do now is we just need to wait for this. Now let's just minimize this for now. We'll go back into it. In the Windows search bar, type Explorer. Click on it. On the left pane, you need to click on this PC. And then you need to right click on your Windows C drive, select Properties. In here, you have this General Tools, Hardware and Sharing tab. Click on the Tools tab. And you'll find this option will check the drive file for file system errors. Just click on check. You don't need to scan this drive, but you need to click on the scan drive. Now the scanning will begin. You just have to wait for this. Now it will state that Windows successfully scanned the drive, no errors were found. Now you might receive a different message right here, but you just need to click on close and then click on OK and then close this. and then restart your computer. Right click on the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your computer. Then bring up your command prompt, or you can just simply wait for this command prompt to be fully completed and then you have to restart your computer at once. We need to run another command for this. Just type sfc space forward slash scan now. Scan now is just one word and there is no space in between, so just hit enter. And this process will also take some time, so we just need to wait for that. Once done, just type EXIT and hit on enter. Then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your computer. So once you have restarted your computer, then there will be magic and your problem will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.